So also like the other thing which I wanted to pretty much intrigue for me in the library is there's a lot of almost like 180-degree coverage which happens in library. You know, the people are moving.
Yeah.
And I just wanted to see how you kind of, work with that. So I just want to pick up from a point where maybe, these people are coming. Yeah, maybe from here.
तो अपनी आंख कैसे पकड़ के नहीं चल सकती ना?
What the fuck are you talking about? Keeping this.
And this bookshelf is for 0 to 4 years. He's too old for that. And this bookshelf is for 5 to 9 years age group.
Okay.
And this one here is 10 to 13 age group. How old is he?
He's 8.
Oh, then 5 to 9 is perfect for him. And we have lots of options for 5 to 9, as in, like, this one's a pop-up book, and it's very interesting. Like, you read, right, that Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. He actually has it here. It's like you can see him fall. It's like.
So all these are 2 cameras, Ankit.
Yeah.
But multiple passes.
Multiple passes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, may I borrow your phone, please?
What?
Actually, the thing is that my headset jack is connected to the battery, and because of which that the volume blows up. And then after that, when I put the charger wire in the same place, the screen
It's okay.
also.
You can have it.
This one, yeah.
गौरी, तेरी बाई आंख को क्या हुआ?
क्या हुआ?
पूरी लाल हो गई है.
हाँ?
तू अभी के अभी जा अपनी आंखें धो ले. तब तक तेरे सिस्टम से नए मेंबर्स मैं ऐड कर लेती हूँ.
ओह, मेरे पास आई ड्रॉप्स हैं, ये डाल लेती हूँ.
Okay.
बट थैंक यू सो मच पुष्पा, यू सो स्वीट.
Hey, stop licking that wall! You really need some calcium in your diet, you know that?
This is so fascinating, because we get to see so many angles in the segment.
Yeah.
Would you want to explain how this
I mean, a lot of sequences in the library we stage from multiple perspectives, and because the comedy also comes from these different situations. As I said previously, it's not just the comedy that is coming in from the lines of this one person, but there are a lot of these small things that are taking place in the library with different people, these kids. So this is seen especially because there's some conflict also, because now they're going to it's going to get a little chaotic. Multiple kids are going to do multiple things. So the director essentially was like, okay, you know what? She wanted to add that chaos and just multiple shots and multiple takes and cutting a little between them. That is something that she planned, to just make it a little disorienting. And obviously, she briefed all these kids to do some random stuff here and there, to just add. So even if, someone is doing something in the background and, those things are captured, and then we would try to get those perspectives from different sides as much as possible.
Right. Very interesting. So how many passes you might have had on this sequence?
Oh wow. Many. Like, this was shot for a couple of hours easily.
Right.
Plus this was shot at night. So we had this thing, like I remember this, yeah. But yeah, a couple of passes easily, because lots of inserts, lots of perspectives, movement, quite a few passes. I mean, I don't have a number for it, to be honest. My memory is a little this thing right now to know this sequence in particular, but quite a few, because there are multiple cuts and multiple takes also that were taken of this scene.
Right. Let's watch this, then we'll get a sense of the whole thing actually.
Yeah.
Hey, stop licking that wall! You really need some calcium in your diet, you know that? Hey, no eating in the library. Hey, you! What is that, a cream bun? Give me that. Just give it to me. Just give it to me. Give it.
How do you work on the focus, Ankit? Is this all spontaneous? Or?
No, here we had focus pullers. So they are also briefed and they also know what the beats are and stuff like that to pull. So they're
Right.
also aware as to when to come to the foreground and when to go back, and maybe based on lines, or I mean, here I didn't have a remote focus, so there was someone standing right next to the camera pulling it for me. So then we would like do that, and sometimes if I am comfortable, I would pull focus specifically for some shots which would come in a little later. But here for this kind of staging where I'm operating and stuff, there's a focus puller who's there to
Right.
manage this properly.
Pretty fresh. Where'd you get it? With angles? Yeah? Was it the Mallu place? Which one was it? It's Iyengars. It's definitely Iyengars. Let me tell you something, alright? When it comes to cream buns, there's no such thing as too much cream. This one's lacking in the cream department though. Side. Bun kind of makes up for it. Some people say the Iyengars make it better than the Mallus, but really it all comes down to how fresh it was, Just gotta squeeze it out and check. Hey, where's that book? Hey, you two, where's the book that was there? Don't lie to me. Pushpavali, Gauri,
Yeah.
come here. Where's the book that was here?
What book, Pankaj?
Adventures of Bingle Bob. What freaking book do you think I'm talking about? Where is it?
I don't know. You had it last.
Yeah, I know I had it and I don't have it with me anymore. Where is it?
I don't know.
What the hell were you doing sitting over there? I kept it right here.
I was putting eye drops. My allergy.
God damn it. I swear it, Gauri, please, just freaking, just look for it then. Look for it. Everybody, kids, everyone gather around. Come on. Fast. All right, we're going to play a game. All right. It's called Find the Book for Pankaj Uncle. All right. Whoever wins will get something nice. This kid's going to buy you guys a cream bun. All right. I want you guys to go out and look for a book. It's called Adventures of Bingle Bob the Brave. What's it called?
The Adventures of Bingle Bob the Brave.
Yeah, all right, good. It's a yellow color book. Go out and start. Go. Start! Gauri, goddammit, you're part of the game now too.
Yeah,
Go look.
Okay. I'm looking for it.
Uncle, this book.
This is Walter the Walrus, all right? He's a walrus named Walter, not Bingle Bob. Keep looking. He's freaking homeschooled. Why are you looking in the same place? That's what I freaking left it. Why the hell would it be under a freaking thinner book than it is?
Uncle, this one.
It says Polly the Penguin.
Ankit, so do you also keep your mind on editing in the sense like when you know that certain points that the camera is moving to a certain angle or something like that, or you kind of suggest that we need to have this shot as a bridge shot or something like that?
Both. A lot of times the director is also aware of the edit as to how she wants to take it, and a lot of times even I add give my opinion that I probably feel that you probably need another insert or a different angle to make it a little better. So it's both ways. In sequences like these, so like Debbie is generally quite aware. She sits on the edit also properly. Like her involvement in the edit is very tight, so she knows exactly the like staging is happening with a narrative in mind. Okay, these are the shots that will come in and we'll attach them together. That's why we take as many as possible, and eventually most of them are used also. Like
you almost get a feeling of multiple cameras, working.
Penguin's Picnic. You can read, right? Do either of these words say Bingle, Bob? Does it say adventure? Right? No. That means no. Keep looking.
and
Come
there are a
on!
lot
Got
of,
20 seconds!
Yes, Ankit.
like a lot of shots are over people's shoulders, foregrounding. There's a sneaky aspect to it because she's the one who's sneaking in and doing this thing which is a little sinister. So there are a lot of shots are over people's shoulders where she's hiding. The camera is also trying to find her. So that's a deliberate thing that we have done with a few shots where we are looking at her through these different elements in the library and over someone's shoulder and stuff like that, just for that connection that we are able to see, but he's not able to see her doing this right now.
Yeah.
Otherwise, nobody wins. All right? Nobody gets a freaking cream bun today if you don't freaking find the book. Gauri, stop looking in the goddamn same place, man. What? This is a coloring book. Come on, Cream Boy. You can do better than this. Go.
Uncle, this book.
Good job, Calcium boy. Where'd you find this? This? Whose bag is this? This is yours?
No, no, it's Gauri's.
Have you been All the kids get out! Everyone go out, we're gonna try and decide who's the winner, alright? Get out! Out! Gauri, have you been stealing from me?
No, I don't know. I'm sorry.
Then how did this get inside the bag? How did this get in?
I don't know, but I swear I don't know why.
I'm not fucking buying it. You were here with me for 2 fucking years and I trusted you, Gauri. I trusted you and this is how you repay me?
No, believe me, I would never do this.
I'm not buying this shit anymore. God knows what the fuck else you've taken from here.
It was only an encyclopedia.
What?
What?
It was half tone. I didn't.
Get out.
Pankaj,
Get out.
listen to me. I'm so sorry.
Get out.
I'm sorry.
Take your bag, you're fired. Get out.
Pankaj.
Out.
Pankaj, should I go?
What do you want?
Should I go check on her, please? Just
Go. Do whatever you want. Go.
Also, after that, can I just go to the?
Just go.
It's really fascinating, in that one space. I almost feel like, the cameras travel more than a 180-degree kind of an arc, covering, so many magnifications.
Yeah.
And, again, it all looks very seamless, very, very
Yeah,
seamless.
I mean, our intention was to establish the geography also, because one of the first scenes in the series. So, like, in terms of understanding what the space is, because we'll keep coming back to it. So that
Yeah.
was also one important thing that went into the staging, because essentially
Yeah,
everything-
it's kind of interesting the way the whole mise en scene is kind of, looked at actually. The people, the activities. And,
even our editor has like done a fabulous job. It's a very
Yeah.
strong show as well, just to get the timing right and have a graph in every scene as to how he wants to cut it. I mean, him and Debbie have put a lot of thought into cutting the series as well. Like eventually, as the series progresses as well, you would like notice it more.